The following audio is inspired by a document created by Rabbi Alon of the Elijah Interfaith Institute. This toolkit outlines key principles for fostering interreligious friendship. First, principles of interreligious friendship. At its heart, interreligious friendship acknowledges the fundamental common ground shared by different faiths. This includes a shared aspiration for goodness, harmony, and ethical living. Crucially, it recognizes that diverse religions seek to transcend the everyday, orienting life towards a higher spiritual understanding, often referred to as God. Interreligious friendship transcends self-interest, characterized by a higher shared purpose. It thrives on reciprocity, a mutual give and take that actively engages all parties in the relationship. Second, approaching difference. Interreligious friendship doesn't shy away from religious differences, nor does it gloss over them in a pursuit of perceived commonality. Instead, it embraces these differences as invaluable opportunities for learning, personal growth, and mutual transformation with the bond of friendship. Religious difference can, indeed, be a source of profound blessing. Third, upholding identity. The preservation of our distinct religious community identity is a central tenet across our faith. Therefore, the practice of interreligious friendship should not be a means of weakening or diluting this identity. Rather, it should serve as a catalyst for strengthening and deepening our individual and collective religious understanding. Fourth, practicing speech. The way we communicate is intrinsically linked to the cultivation of interreligious friendship. Open and honest questioning is fundamental. Friends must be willing to both ask and answer questions with sincerity. While challenging questions are a vital part of honest dialogue, they must be clearly distinguished from attack or criticism. In interreligious friendships, we hold the well-being and dignity of our friend in constant regard. We strive to speak with the same respect and consideration whether our friend is present or absent. 5. Friendship in action. Friendship finds powerful expression through shared action. We naturally anticipate support, collaboration, and solidarity from our friends, especially when issues affecting our well-being arise. Interreligious friendship can flourish through a shared dedication to common ideals or causes, such as social justice, combating hatred, poverty, and illness. The shared values of friends manifest through joint commitment and collaborative efforts for the betterment of society and the world. 6. Friendship as spiritual gift. As we move beyond simply ignoring differences, towards recognizing, understanding, and respecting them, we are also invited to discover a deeper unity that lies beneath the surface. Love finds its most complete expression in a friendship that is consciously rooted in a shared understanding of God, or ultimate reality. Now let's explore some practical suggestions. While the interreligious friendships we encourage are deeply personal, one-on-one connections, nurturing them with a supportive environment can be incredibly beneficial. If you're looking to cultivate interreligious friendships, consider identifying existing organizations or activities in your community that focus on dialogue and interreligious encounter. Some of the following suggestions can be more easily implemented within such a framework. Here are some practical ways to put friendship into action, many of which have emerged from discussions among the Elijah Board of World Religious Leaders. First, share a meal. Extend an invitation to a family from another religious background to share a meal in your home. Consider organizing an exchange program between two congregations, offering everyone the chance to both host and be guest. Communal meals are also a wonderful option. This approach naturally addresses any religious dietary considerations with grace and equality. There's truly nothing quite like sharing food to build strong bonds of friendship. Second, organize a friendship walk. One meaningful possibility is to walk together from one place of worship to another. When we converse face to face, there can sometimes be a sense of opposition. But when we walk shoulder to shoulder, we move in the same direction. There is no antagonism, no competition. We face common challenges together. These walks can also serve as a powerful public statement on issues of shared concern within the interreligious community, such as demonstrating respect for sacred spaces. Variations could include forming human chains or offering a visible presence when sides of other faiths face threats. Third, jointly taking social action, responding to societal challenges. While engaging in social action can certainly be done independently, doing so together deeply strengthens the bonds of friendship. It provides a shared focus and a common goal in working to heal society. This could involve sharing insights into the local community, raising awareness about the importance of understanding others, and highlighting economic and social divides. Fourth, share culture. Create opportunities to share music, art, storytelling, and other cultural expressions. This could take the form of interreligious festivals or reciprocal events hosted at each other's venues. Music transcends all barriers, and art offers a profound window into the heart of another. Fifth, sharing narratives. Create dedicated spaces for sharing both moments of suffering and stories of achievement. Please visit Elijah-Interfaith.org for further information.